Hey guys, so I wanted to just do a really quick review on the Rode Wireless Go and why I think these are absolutely perfect little microphones for whether you're doing a professional system or just a little compact system. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, I just want to talk about how easy these things are to use. They pair themselves together straight away anyway, but they're just so simple. You just press the button on the receiver right at the bottom here, and then you press the same one on the Rode Go that actually clips onto your camera configuration. Now, really clever. I thought this was really stupid when I first read about it, but these little clips here actually are also the same size as a cold shoe mount, so you can clip this onto the top of the camera if you wanted to make it look really professional and just like any other, you know, £300–400 wireless system. Or you can use this to clip onto your belt or to clip it onto the side of something. So as I was saying in my other review, the RX100 Mark 7 doesn't actually have a cold shoe mount, but this can actually clip onto itself and then into the microphone port, which makes it super easy and makes it the perfect wireless receiver for the RX100 and most other small compact cameras such as the GX3, etc. But yeah, this is great. Now, this has everything you need for a mobile setup. It actually has a built-in microphone here, so you just clip it onto your subject like that and you're good to go. Now, I do find this a little bit cumbersome, and it's not the best thing with ladies' dresses and things like that. If you subject that you're recording as a lady and you may have a low-cut top, or a bloke with a t-shirt, or even a shirt's probably okay because you can put it in the shirt like that. But I also use a lapel mic that goes into it, and it does have a 3.5mm microphone jack at the top, which you can then clip in a lapel mic here and attach it. Now, the reason I've got this adapter here, and I'll link this adapter on the comments below, is because this is actually used for the iPhone. It's a Rode iPhone lapel mic, which they came out a couple of years ago, so I had this for when I was using a B-script. Now, they've recently come out with a Rode lapel mic that actually clips directly into this, but that wasn't available before, so I just bought this little adapter, which was around £10, really easy. But I would recommend, if you're buying a new lapel mic, to just buy a brand new one, and I'll link the new correct one for this down in the description below. Also with the Rode mic, you can actually buy a different cable. I can't remember what it is, I'll link it right now. But this has a grey end on it, and that actually allows the Rode Wireless Go to be used with an iPhone or with an Android device. So this thing's a really versatile little setup for if you're starting out, or if you're being a semi-pro or a pro. So yeah, definitely recommend it. It's a great little device, great for vloggers. And yeah, that's it. Just a really short review of the Rode Wireless Go. So I hope you enjoyed the review. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.